So we're gonna understand combustion and how it works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour ethanol into this, and we're gonna start mixing this. Because it boils at 78 degrees, even at room temperature, it's volatile. We have a small hole here, so we put this upside down, then we ignite it. So what happens is the flame.
We'll see what happens.
In the past 2 days, we've been doing marketing, we've been looking at HR, we've been looking at product management, we're looking at production, and looking at every role, like all the HODs play a major role in the business, and how without the meetings and without all the congenial atmosphere, the business will fall apart. So it's really nice to see Varun Radiators function and to apply whatever we have learned in the real world aspect.
Why did you take this course on business studies?
Business studies is actually one of my favorite subjects. Also because my whole family is, they're all into business. So I've had business experience since I was very young, and I wanted to know, how everything works and how everything comes together to form an organization. Because often a business doesn't work if you do not consider all of the factors.
The students over here came across as people who come with a different thought process. From an interviewing perspective, they were very well prepared. From a professional perspective, I think by the time they get into the professional world, they would absolutely be at par with or better than a lot of professionals I come across today.
We would like to welcome you all to our art and design gallery. These are the best pictures according to us, so we would like to showcase them in front of you and get feedback, as this is our peer scrutiny, and after the peer scrutiny we would like to do public scrutiny.
It's always good to showcase our work, and it will give us a sense of well-being to see what other feedback we get. And even our peers, they might not be experts in their field. We might have experts coming in who can help us further if you want to continue with our journey.
Okay guys, so we're having our monthly HEAL meeting.
What we can do is we can talk to the people over there.
Sumani is going to give me the list of the materials that they need, and if we can also get sponsorship, that would be a good idea, so that we can cut down.
We shall get ready by the website by the end of this week.
Okay.
And we'll get the write-ups from Dimple, Pooja and you, what should go up, and the photographs that are already on Facebook, we shall put the same thing on this.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद फारूक है। मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था रिक्शा से और मुझे कैंसर की गांठ हो गई थी पैर में। कोई नहीं आया जब तक 8 महीने से हूँ मैं, पहली बार आई है। हाँ, बस दोबारा मिलने की तमन्ना है।